guys, we're here at Union Station. Just in line for the train displays at the train festival. Let's just wait. Alright guys, we are here on the platform and here's the train displays. We got 100 vote of it about Barrier Coach for the Metrolink display. We'll try and get, I wonder if we can get all these. Alright, we're going upstairs. Taking a tour of the Metrolink cars. We have these seats right here. I'm gonna try one. They're pretty good. I'm filming. Seats are pretty comfortable. I gotta love it. Okay, so this is EMT F125 933. These are they only belong to Metrolink right now. These are pretty big. On this side, the Amtrak P42DC. They've got General Electric number 203, Operation Lifesaver livery. I gotta say, these are actually pretty big. Look at that. Let's go around the side and look at the sleeper cars. I'm doing the thing. Alright, so I'm right here. The reason why they overstuffed the seat, I can't even sit down because it has to be like an empty row, but it wasn't. So we just have to wait until Glendale. So at least it's better than nothing. So anyways, this is the tray table. Got some water and some Wetzels. And I got this more
smaller pocket if you want to have like your phone in it, and this is like some like thing you can hold on, and this is thing holding the tray table. They got one outlet, one single outlet. I'll pull it out right here. The safety card. I'll be reading that. And I got the little armrest. And right up here we have our lights. And the seat. It's about the same. The only thing is that it's like more like the design is like a little bit more like slimmer, but it does the job. So we'll wait to see what happens. So a question I've been asking, so a question I think people have been asking, I'm not sure if people have, but what do I put on? What do I put on this? Well, I should have something to drink. I got a water, my Wetzel bits. Gotta eat it with the fork. Very unusual. I don't know why I have to do that. And head spice. I got that from that market at Union Station. This is where I also got the Wetzels too. You should, if you have time, you should probably like the people could like go inside and get some stuff like Starbucks, Subway, Wetzels. I'll look at the shop too. This I got from the Union Station merch store. I got this blue Metro Express bus. I'm not sure if these exist anymore. I'm not sure these are replaced with rapid buses, but they might have. But right here is just a blue bus. And then I also got the safety card too. Remember, it's the only thing I'm able to read. Let's consult it. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, it folds out like this. Doing it in one hand is kind of complicated because you gotta have like. Ah, there we go. So we got the. Also has all the exits too. If the tray is like on its side, then yeah, this could be useful. But if it's like on top like that, then no. That right here, that right there's the most useful solution right there, the door. And probably the least useful solution has to be the window. Because like if the tray's still setting up, like you're gonna fall like 14 feet. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of. So then right here is also do not stay on the tracks. Everybody should know this. It's rail safety month. Everybody should know this. Alright, so coach, baggage. I'm surprised I got all like the whole surprised I got all the everything in a lot. And then you got the top level. Business class, and that completes the consultation of the safety card. I'll put that back. Well then, better get in. The train is now leaving.